Hello friends, today in this session we'll solve this geometric problem. Here we have a right angle triangle, that is ABC. Here the angle C is right angle triangle. It is a 90-degree angle and we have been given the length of two sides. Here the length of AC is 21 centimeter and length of BC is 28 centimeter. Then we'll have to find the value of CD. So here CD is perpendicular on the line AB. Then we'll have to find the value of this height. So friend, this type of problem can be solved by two methods, in a fraction of second method, and second one will elaborately describe how to solve this type of problem. So friend, before we start, please give a thumbs up to the video and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Now the second method. So in the method we'll elaborate and we'll learn how to solve this type of problem very easily. So here we have ABC is a right angle triangle. So here two sides given. Now if you look at AB is the opposite of 90-degree angle, so this will be our hypotenuse and one of these two lengths will be base and perpendicular. So according to Pythagorean theorem, we can write height square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Now here we can take base, one of these means 21 square, 28 square, and here 21 square is 441 plus 28 square is 784. So here the hypotenuse square we can write 441 plus 740 is 1225. Now from here we can calculate the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse will be square root 1225. So it's a square root of 35. So the hypotenuse here is 35. So we can say that the length of A to B, this is 35 centimeter. So now we have calculated the third length. Now here in the questions given, angle C is 90-degree angle. So now let us angle A, that is alpha angle, and angle B is beta angle. Now according to complementary angle, alpha and beta will be 90-degree angle. So then according to complementary 3, alpha plus beta will be 90-degree angle, 90 degree. Now if you look at angle CDB, means this angle is also 90-degree angle and it is alpha. So this small angle, this side angle will be, it is alpha angle. Similarly for this angle, now for this angle it is alpha and this angle is 90-degree. So this angle will be beta. So it is beta. Now in the next step we will concentrate in triangle ACD, means small triangle, and big triangle means ABC. Now according to AAA theory, here the angle and angle. Now first of all look at the angle CAT. So this angle is common for both the triangles, means the small triangle and the bigger triangle, means for triangle ADC and ABC the angle alpha is common. Now the second is 90-degree angle, means this triangle, means small triangle is having 90-degree angle and the bigger triangle is also having 90-degree angle. So we have completed two angles. Now the third angle means angle beta, means the smaller triangle, this one is beta and this triangle is also having beta. So we have angle is equal. So we can say that triangle ACD and triangle ABC is similar. So here we have proved that these two triangles are similar. So the ratio of corresponding side will also be same. Now the ratio of triangle alpha, angle alpha opposite is CD for small triangle, CD divided by AC means hypotenuse. So here the hypotenuse of small triangle, that will be equal to, now for the triangle ABC, the opposite side of alpha is BC. So we can write BC. Now the hypotenuse of the big triangle, so it is AB. So we'll write AB. So now we'll put the value of all the triangle length. So here CD, so we'll have to find the value of CD. So it is H divided by AC. AC is 21. So it is 21 centimeter, that is equal to now the length of BC. So here BC is 28. So it is 28, that is divided by AB. So here AB is 35. So it is 35 centimeter. Now from here we will calculate the value of height, that will be 21 multiplied by 28 divided by 35. Now if we calculate and solve it, then the value of H will be 16.8 centimeter. So here we have calculated the value of H, that is 16.8. This is the answer of this problem. So friends, this was the second method. We have solved this problem with full concept, and now shortcut method. So in the first method we can calculate the value of AB. So we have two length that is given is 21 and 28. Now we'll calculate the third length. So it is third length. So here we can cancel it by 7. So it is 3 times and it is 4 times. Now 3, 4 and 5 are triplicate. So here we can directly calculate this value will be ratio of 5. So if we multiply 7 and 5, it is 35. So the length of third side will be 35 centimeter. Now from here we'll have to calculate the value of CD. Now we'll have to find the value of height, and the height of this right angle triangle is perpendicular multiplied by base divided by its hypotenuse. Here the perpendicular and base is 21 and 28 and it's divided by hypotenuse, that is 35. Now if we'll solve, it is 16.8 centimeters. So friend, how quickly we can solve this type of problem? Very easily. If you like the video fans, do not forget to subscribe our channel and give a precious comment how my video is. Thank you for watching the video.